Mother.
Hi Mother, Happy New Year, and today we're going to... I am Chanka Matsumbal and I am the eldest daughter. So, first, spaghetti.
Close it.
Hindi pula, hindi puti, orange. Ito, salad, yama cake, leche flan, halaya and kanamay, and this is kiwi. It's 50 pesos. And sikamas, dalandan isang kilo, royal, pero mali ang nabili ko kasi zero sugar.
Yan! Ano? Diet!
Itas this, may gardenia, may sa bakery. Yan. Happy January! Yan. And that's me. Tira mo, pakita mo. Wow. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you, Lord, for another year. God bless us. Yay!
12.
Piang! Tapos natin dumiretso. Tulog siya, guys. Ang mamay kasi.
Oh my God! Oh my God, saan?